Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, crap.
Glad I have my camera out for that one.
Yeah. It's like Xenia entertainment.
Yeah. Hey man, where all these fireworks come from? Snap. That one was kind of close.
Car's probably looking at this thing.
Oh,
my God.
Got that one. This is nuts. I don't even think my camera's picking up all the smaller ones.
No.
That's nuts.
Holy crap.
Jeez. I hope these are showing up.
Yeah.
Because I'm taking video.
Somewhere behind us. The car that turned in came around and parked behind us. It's like move alone.
I think we know something they don't. This is where you're safe.
Thunder apocalypse. Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Electricity at my apartment. If not, I hope the electricity. Oh my god, I'm about to hit some orange cones.
Thought a tree was down or something.
Yeah. Hilarious if that other stone thing is broken.
Oh my gosh. I wonder if they're going to rebuild. I doubt they'll rebuild it. I mean, I'm sure those have been up since that subdivision was built, probably back in the 50s, 60s.
Yeah. Probably around then.
And somebody had to ruin all the fun by running into it. So now it's asymmetrical.
It happened in the winter or something.
Yeah, was it like that first ice storm?
Yeah.
Somebody slid into it.
It's like a battle Hogwarts out here.
Harry Potter reference.
Throw in as many Harry Potter references as we can.
This is viral marketing for the new movie. It's a well-known fact that the English control the weather.
Those koala bears.
I pay good money for a koala bear pet.
Yeah.
I wish America had those. Australia can keep all their snakes and spiders. I just want koala bears. Not even kangaroos. Just koala bears and puffins.
See, it would be so awesome just have a koala bear just sitting on your bed eating Cheetos or something.
Oh my gosh, how... That would be so cool. What would you name a koala bear?
Mike.
Mike the koala bear?
Yeah.
I like it. I was thinking something weird like Enzo.
Enzo?
And name it after a Ferrari. You could name him something really trashy like Blade. Blaze.
Laser.
You could give him a trashy just a regular name but you spell it weird. Like Trailer Park Sarah.
Just watching it.
Oh, I got that one.
Is that a double?
Probably. This is probably going on YouTube.
You remember that? It's on YouTube right after the tornado and 2000, those kids driving around with a video camera.
You see that? Yeah, it's a branch on the ground. Oh, yeah. You see that? Where were you? I was in my bathroom.
It's like the whole video.
All I remember is like I rode my bike down there to between like Groceryland and that church.
Yeah.
And it was just like everything was destroyed. It was so weird. But it was before everybody had cell phones. So like I came home, my mom's like, "Where were you?" I was on my bike.
Some tornado picked you up and put
Yeah.
you across town.
I was like, "It was the next day, Mom." Well, let's see, that happened in 2000. So what? We were like 13.
Something, yeah.
Dude, there's no way 13-year-old me isn't gonna go see tornado aftermath on his bike. I gotta go do it. If I'd had a koala, it would have ridden in the basket. God, what a great excuse though to have a basket on your bike.
It's poor koala.
Hey dude, why you got that basket? It's for my koala, back off. Oh, that's pretty cool, man. That's how I imagine the conversation would go down.
Sorry, I had you wrong there.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, well. And like, if you couldn't afford a koala, you could always just like koala sit for your friends. Like, hey man, we're going out of town, you want to koala sit? Like, yeah, dude.
I feel like when you're born, you should have a choice of a pet that's with you your whole life.
Oh, that'd be so good.
I want a koala.
I feel like I would have screwed up though and done something dumb. I have a duck. Like everybody else like waited, like thought it out, and I was like, I want a duck. It's like your first job, and people have like dragons. Like I have a griffin. Like no, I got a duck. I didn't think things through. Like, well, does your duck have like? Is your duck like super smart? No, it's just a regular duck. Oh, that was close.
That
yeah. Be careful going home, buddy.
Yeah.
Are you going over to your parents, or are you just going straight back to Centerville?
Probably just go back to Centerville now. It's late.
Well, thanks for hanging out. Sorry you got to drive in this. I'm sure you'll drive out of it by then.
Yeah. It's like an exit Xenia Township.
Yeah, well, it's a fact that Xenia is the only thing. Yeah, I'm getting all these. Xenia is the only place ever to get hit by any kind of weather. Alright, well, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Alright, see you on YouTube.